If you wanna give a special discount to a specific audience, Amazon just launched a new update on coupon for you. Hi sellers, this is Shakhwat from Ecom Clips. In this video, you will find Amazon new update on its promotional features and I will show you how to utilize it properly. What's the new update? Amazon just came out with a major update to the coupon section. Now you can set up discount for specific audience. For example, you can set coupons that show up only for customers who have abandoned your products on their carts. Or you can set coupons for customers who purchased recently, buy occasionally and spend above average. You see, you can target specific niche and audience. That I believe is a massive update to target selected potential audience that can skyrocket your sales. Just keep in mind that you need a brand register for this feature. So where will you find it? No worries, I'm gonna show you. But before start offering discount, make sure you know what you want to achieve with your coupons. So what is coupon on Amazon? It's simple. You already know it's a promotional feature of Amazon. They are very similar to traditional coupons you may see for your local grocery stores, but they are digital and exclusively for use on Amazon. The good thing is coupons are a great way to stand out from the competition and grab a customer's attention on Amazon. However, without an effective strategy in place, your coupons may go unnoticed. There are some reasons to use coupon on Amazon. They help to boost your sales, raise brand awareness, differentiate your listing from others, help the listing to show in search result. And most importantly, it helps to clear out excess inventory. So how can customers find coupons? Customer can discover coupons in a few ways. First, they can browse coupons through the homepage. There you can find coupon item for every category of products. Second, on the search result page, there it appears in bright screen which is very hard to miss. It can also be found on the product detail page as well as inside the customer's shopping cart. Now, let's see how to see coupons. From the Seller Central dashboard, click Menu, then go to Advertising and select Coupons. Then click Create New Coupon from the right corner. Here you can see there are three types of coupons. Number 1, Standard. Number 2, Subscribe and Save. This is specially for the products enrolled in this program and this one is interesting. Number 3, Reorder Coupon. This allows you to offer discount to customer who previously purchased your product but have not reordered within expected time. This is recommended to increase customer loyalty and reorder to your products. I'm gonna select the Standard for now. Then you can see the audience, all customers, program and brand. Now if you select brand, you will see this option that we already discussed. But this is still in beta, so maybe not available to all accounts. You better check it out. However, let's go back to all customer and select the product. In the search bar, type your product name or enter the ASIN. When your product appears, select it. Then hit continue. Now select start and end date for your coupon. You can choose from 1 to 99 days. Next, enter the discount method you want to offer. It could be a dollar amount discount or a percentage amount discount. I am going with percentage off of 10%. If you want to limit your customer 1 per redemption, check this box. Now set your budget. It is important to know that your budget will cover two costs. The first cost is the discount you are giving to your customer. The second cost is redemption fee. You will be charged $0.6 against each dollar discount. For example, if you are running a coupon for $1 off, your total cost will be $1.6. So just make sure you have entered a large amount budget that covers this cost. Next, create a title, for example, say 15% off on water bottle. This way you can mention your product name. The last step is if only you want to limit who can redeem your coupon, you can limit it by prime, students and family members only. Then click continue. Now review everything and once you are ready, hit submit. This is the process of creating coupons on Amazon. Amazon is constantly updating its platform and sellers need to keep up with these changes. However, it is important to remember that Amazon is not your friend. Amazon's mission statement is to help customers. The sellers are not Amazon's customer. And our mission statement is to help sellers. We want to be the most seller-centric company in the world to help Amazon sellers do better on Amazon, which is why we give out all our resources for free. If you want to hire us to help you, you can book a same-day free appointment with us. We are an e-commerce agency with more than 10 years of experience. Till now, we have launched and have been managing more than 1,000 of e-commerce choices and bestseller ranked products. Moreover, we have more than 300 e-commerce experts who are helping businesses all over the world. We would love to help and work for you as well. Thanks for tuning in today. We will catch you in the next one. Till then, stay safe.